I was playing baseball with some of the fathers from my son's baseball team. I attempted to slide into second base and my shoe dug into the ground. My foot hit the base, however my body was still sliding, still in motion. Snapped my ankle and broke all the bones in my ankle. Lots of pain. Next thing I remember, I was in the ambulance being taken to the hospital. I just couldn't wait to get that pethidine injection. I just really needed that. I first ended up in the emergency ward in the Joondalup hospital and spent a week there. The hospital system, with its delays, and the surgeon decided to send me to the Glengarry private hospital to do the operation. Then I spent another week recovering at the the Glengarry hospital, and now I'm convalescing at home. I run a small business and I'm always on my feet. I can't really do anything. I haven't ever felt like this. I've felt pretty helpless like this before. I suppose we all always think we are immune to anything like this ever happening to us. Certainly I never thought it would ever happen to me. Look, we run a busy takeaway food business. It's really hands-on. And yes, some of the staff have stepped up to help out. But with the storms and the blackouts we've had in the last couple of days, business has been really busy, and it's been pretty chaotic there without me. My income and my business have really suffered badly. Yeah, Stephen has actually come out and advised me in hospital. He was there with my wife and my son in the course of the Sunday. He was able to reassure my family that I had a current policy and would replace my income would provide the income for us. Steve came back out and spent the morning with me filling out all the forms, which there's no way I could have done. And he's really gone the extra yard to help me out. Well, I'm not sure, but I think it's close to about 20 years. Look, I've got to be perfectly honest. I sat down with my wife, Sandra, and we were looking at cutting back some of our insurance policies because we pay so much money out on insurances, and we figured we'll cut out on some of the policies that we didn't think we'd ever use. And this was one of the policies I had expected to cut out. I've never had any reason to make any claim on it, so I didn't think we'd need it. I talked to Stephen briefly at the time, and he advised me against it. And I'm glad I listened to him at the time, because without this policy, I think I'd really be in trouble. It's really saved me and probably my whole family in financial difficulty.